Unlock the secrets of successful trading with our proven strategy. This trading strategy is easy to use, even a beginner can apply it. The strategy only uses 2 indicators. To demonstrate the effectiveness of this strategy, I will back test it 100 times with an initial account size of $1,000 with a 2 to 4 risk to reward ratio. For the back testing, I will be using the price of Nasdaq on the 15-minute time frame chart. But before we get started with the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Enough talking, let's get started with the strategy. Alright, so for this strategy we will be using 2 indicators. The first indicator we are going to use is the follow line indicator. The follow line indicator is a trend following momentum indicator. It uses complicated equations and chart patterns to create entry signals. Okay, to add the indicator to your chart, you click on the Indicators tab, then search up Follow Line Indicator. We will be using this one made by Dreadblitz. After adding the indicator, your chart will look like this. Now we need to change some of the indicator settings. We click the Settings button on the indicator menu. We head to the Inputs section. Change the BB period to 22, change the BB deviation to 1.8, and change the ATR period to 6. Then click OK. Now our first indicator is ready. The second indicator is going to be the Hull Suite. The Hull Suite indicator is a trend indicator. It uses moving averages to determine whether the market is bullish or bearish. In our case, we will use it as our second confirmation indicator to eliminate as many false signals as possible. To add the indicator to your chart, you click on the Indicators tab, then search up Hull Suite. We will use this one by Insilico. After we have added the indicator, we need to change its settings. We click on the Indicators Settings button. We head to the Inputs section. We change the source to open. Change the Joule variation from HMA to EHMA. Then increase the length from 55 to 500. For the Style section, we will uncheck the bar color, then click OK. Now that both our indicators are configured, we can start with the strategy rules. We will begin by outlining the rules for entering a long position. The first rule is that the Hull Suite line must be green, and the price must be trading above it. The second rule is that a buy signal must be issued by the follow line indicator. For entering a short position, the first rule is that the Hull Suite line must be red, and the price must be trading below it. The second rule is that a sell signal must be issued by the follow line indicator. These are the rules for entering short and long positions. To make things clearer, I will provide a few examples. In this example, the Hull Suite line is colored in green and the price is trading above it, and we have a buy signal issued by the follow line indicator, so all our conditions are met. We enter a long position. We set our stop loss at the recent swing low and our take profit at 2 times the risk. After a bit, the price hits our take profit target. Let me show you one more long position example. Here, we have a buy signal issued by the follow line indicator. The Hull Suite line is colored in green, and the price is trading above it, so we enter a long position. We set our stop loss at the recent lowest price, and we set our take profit at 2 times the risk. Now, I will show you some examples for short positions. Okay, so we have a short position entry here. We have a sell signal issued by the follow line indicator. The Hull Suite line is red, and the price is trading under it, so we enter a short position. We set our stop loss at the recent swing high, and we set our take profit at 2 times the risk. This was another winning trade. I will show you one more short position example, then I will back test this strategy 100 times. The price is trading under the Hull Suite line, and the line is colored in red, and we have a sell signal issued by the follow line indicator. We enter a short position. We set our stop loss at the recent highest price, and our take profit at 2 times the risk. After a while, the price hits our take profit target. By now you should know how to enter a short or long position, and know how to set your stop loss and take profit targets. Now, I will go ahead and back test the strategy 100 times and come back with the results. I just finished back testing the strategy 100 times. I was able to find those setups within a 6-week period. The win rate was 70%. My account size increased by 749%. I had 70 wins against 30 losses. The profit factor was 4.67. I had 6 consecutive wins against 3 consecutive losses. The maximum drawdown was 5.88%. The account grew from $1,000 to $7,494, which is just crazy. This strategy performed very well in the back testing. If you don't want to spend all your time staring at charts every day, be sure to check out our Telegram Signals group chat. Our signals come with take profit and stop loss targets, so all you have to do is enter the trade. You can find the link to the chat in the description.